Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen, more breaking news coming in on the Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau released preliminary report on the Air India plane crash. Now, Air India CEO Campbell Wilson says, quote, the preliminary report found no mechanical or maintenance issues with the aircraft or engines and that all mandatory maintenance tasks had been completed. There was no issue with the quality of fuel, no abnormality with the takeoff roll. The pilots had passed the mandatory pre-flight breathalyzer and there were no observations pertaining to their medical status. I would also remind that out of the abundance of caution and under the oversight of the DGCA, every Boeing 787 aircraft operating in Air India's fleet was checked within days of the accident and all were found to be fit for service. We will continue to perform all necessary checks as we will any new ones as the authorities may suggest. This is the official statement coming in from Air India's CEO Campbell Wilson. They're trying to say that Air India had no role to play in the crash in terms of any mechanical failure or any engine related issues. I have my colleague Harsha joining us live on this broadcast, who is closely tracking the developments in this story. The Air India CEO almost absolving the company, Harsha, there based on the preliminary assessment of the AAIB, saying that perhaps Air India is not at all at fault. What do you see in terms of the developments coming in the story?
So, Krutar, there's a humongous anger against Air India because we very well know that there was something wrong with the Boeing aircraft. There was an issue with the fuel switch, and that not only the AIB report, which says that there was an issue in the fuel in the fuel switch because it automatically came from run to cut off. It was the FAA guideline, and in fact, we have several documents from the other authorities of the country as well, where they clearly states that how this fuel issue was the major issue, and the pilot's body also feel that there is something not right about the investigation which is happening. Therefore, they are also asking for the legal for the legal role in this AIB investigation. Experts, there should be the role of the legal expert as well. Now, Campbell Wilson has come out and he has circulated a WhatsApp, he has circulated a mail to all the employees of the Air India. He very clearly states that there was no maintenance and mechanical issue with the aircraft. There was no issue in the engine oil as well. And also the pilots had went through the breathalyzer test, and also he went on by saying that this is all the speculation and rumors which is going on in the media, which we should not focus on. In fact, this is why Air India Campbell Wilson has come out and sent out a mail to all the employees of Air India, because now he knows that the question will be to the operator, because it was flagged that there was some issue with the control relay valve, power valve of the Boeing 787 aircraft. It was not only in India, but the other bodies worldwide had also flagged this issue. There was the unsafe potential condition of the fuel switch. Whether this was the old processor or the new processor should have been replaced, nothing we know as of now, because AIB report only has told about the investigation. But what was the actual problem with the fuel switch, that has not come out in public. But Air India clearly didn't adhere to the guideline of the FAA and SAIB of the Airworthiness Information Bulletin, where clearly stated that inspections had to be done of Boeing 787, which they didn't do. So clearly Air India is at fault here. And Air India should have done the inspection. Why such massive crash happened? It would not have happened if the fuel switch issue was checked, it was inspected, or the relay or spar was checked thoroughly. But it didn't happen in this case, and that is the reason why the engine couldn't align with the fuel transmission, and that is the reason why it immediately went from run to cut off. Now, this statement coming at this point of time, because Air India clearly knows that there's humongous anger, and everyone is not buying the fact that there was no maintenance issue. There was the maintenance issue, there was the inspection issue, there was the issue with the electrical wiring inside the fuel switch, which Air India will have to respond in further coming days, because the 7 July notification of Air India to its engineering department clearly tells us that 6 days before the probe report,
yes,
Air India had an idea that something is going to come out open in public about the fuel switch. Therefore, they have already ordered the fuel switch wiring change in the Boeing aircraft. Back to you.
Indeed, Harsha.